We're looking northeastwards in Dunmanus Bay there now. We're taking a passage, a very narrow passage inside Bird Island, which is off the north side of the Mizen Peninsula. And it's a narrow passage, but plenty of depth. With 8 meters of water at all times, but rocks in the center had to be avoided. And just the whole sheer beauty of West Cork is very obvious here now. And the headland in the distance is Three Castle Head, and we'll then turn left there to go south and round Mizen Head, which is a couple of miles further on. And importantly, we'll have calculated the tide, because the tides are very, very strong in the area here, so the tide will be with us going around the headland. So a nice little early morning adventure here now as we come out the gap between Bird Island and the Mizen Peninsula.